HIMARS and M270 MLRS are still king on the battlefield. None of Russia's surface-to-air missile system has an adequate protection and becomes a prime target if within GMLRS rockets range, as seen with this 9K-33 OSA SAM system. As many of the system miss Ukraine's drone surveillance as well. Once in hiding, the coordinates are sent back for a strike. As the non-armored target with sensitive parts such as the missile, radar, computers and the vehicle itself becomes a fairly easy target, just needing the coordinates to be accurate enough, which most of the time it is, leaving one less SAM system for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.